guys keep falling off the tripod. And now I think you're crooked. That's just gonna have to do. Stay, please stay. Please stay there. Okay. What am I doing first? Right. Oh dear. It has been so long since I've been in front of the camera, I'm actually anxious. Why am I anxious? I'm in a room by myself. Okay, do I look okay? I look tired, but hey, keeping it real. G'day and welcome to another video. I need some crochet. Here's one I haven't worn for a long time. Look at that, it even goes with what I'm wearing. Okay. Oh, goodness me. It's been that long since I've worn it. Oh, my phone's not on silent. Let's just tie it in a knot. Oh dear. Alright, phone on silent. Done. Where was I? Right. Why am I laughing? It's not even funny. It's better than being anxious. Apparently my camera is taking a photo. Huh? I didn't ask you to take a picture. What is happening? I don't know. Let's just go with it. Okay, it's stopped now. G'day and welcome to another video. It's still doing a photo thing. Why is it doing that? G'day and welcome to another video. In today's video I want to talk to you about Knit Crate. My camera is doing something weird. Don't focus on the lens. Focus on the viewfinder. Focus on the lens. Come on, get it together. There's not even anything funny. Okay. Camera is doing that thing again. I need something to put over that. That's really... It's got like red things flashing across the screen. I need something to cover it. It's really annoying. Okay. Got some fabric scraps. Can you see those jars in the background? Yeah, there. They've got fabric scraps in them. I'm going to put this over the lens so I can just see what I'm doing. It's not going to stay there. And not that stupid red thing. There we go. So professional. You can subscribe to their... I'll show you the box. Ugh. That doesn't make sense. You can subscribe